My name is Alberto Retana. We're a family of 5. I have an older brother, older sister, and the 2 parents. Parents are from Mexico and from Costa Rica. UCLA has meant advancing my family's dreams, opportunities for me to succeed after having immigrated from Central America and Mexico. And ultimately for me, it became about using that opportunity to help my community. UCLA exposed me to so many new ideas, but most importantly, exposed me to the idea that we as people have the power to transform the world around us. I was walking up on the other side of Jan Steps in between Royce and Powell once. UCLA Police Department asked for my ID. I didn't have my student ID. They put me on the floor and they put me in cuffs. It just made me more convinced that we had to do the right work. Why did we have that happening on a campus? They weren't doing that to other students, but they certainly did it to me. It gave me the opportunity to organize the UCLA Affirmative Action Coalition. So this building behind me, Kirchhoff, was a building that didn't serve students but was supposed to, and we took it over. The coalition came together, we ran students, and we took student government to use those resources to fight to make sure that the doors of this university would remain open to the communities that we're from. And those were the memories that mattered the most to me, planning late at night, the next protest, what we were gonna do to make sure we had high school students from our communities come visit the campus so that we continue to break the doors of opportunity open. Idealism is great, right? We do need to have a world that serves us, but idealism lives in the dream world. I believe that what we have in front of us can be changed. It's not a matter of ideas, it's a function of power. It's a function of the possibility of people coming together. I remember working in the Obama administration, and I learned at that point how much power we didn't have and how we need to get organized so that we can influence change. We all have an opportunity and a righteousness to stand for not just ideas, but to do what we believe in by action. And I think that's what I mean when I say I'm a materialist. I've been a part of many protests. The most powerful moment in any protest, we're a community that believes that change is absolutely possible in a world that's stacked against you. That's at the core of what protest is about. It's what you're fighting for, and that's justice, that's freedom, that's liberation, and that's what's ultimately guiding us. Mass action together. To get the UCLA Community Service Award means so much to me because of what it would mean to my dad, who's no longer with us. Ultimately, this award is for my mom and my dad, who sacrificed so much for us to be able to be here, and for me to be able to use the privilege of the university to work and fight for the betterment of our community.